Ready to shoot clear coat on our 62, so we have to, of course, clean it. When we do that, we want to get the most mileage out of all of our materials. We're going to take a rag like this, we're going to fold it into fours, cleaning towel, whatever. And then right now I only have water in this spray bottle, and I'm just going to spray it on the rag. If I was to spray it on the vehicle, water's going to get into all the nooks and crannies, and then when I try to paint it, it's not going to stick. I want to start at the top, because when you're cleaning the top, anything that you're cleaning might drop dirt down onto the bottom. So if I would have cleaned this first and then come up here and then drop dirt on it, I'd have to clean it again. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to wipe it down several times. The first time I'm just kind of getting the big chunky monkey stuff off of here, and then each time I'm coming back, I'm getting it a little bit cleaner and cleaner and cleaner. Once this section of the rag is dirty, we simply flip this over like this. We hit the other side. When that gets dirty, we flip it over, we hit the other side. When that gets dirty, we flip it over, we hit the other side. So I'll do all of my money shot clean areas first, and then as the rag gets a little bit dirtier, I'll do all of the dirty sections. We don't want to start in a dirty section like this and then go to a money shot, because we'll probably be transferring dirt over. Now this here, of course, just done as a quick little abbreviation to give you an idea how to wipe it down. Stay tuned, we got more coming for you.